I have an extremely faithful guard dog, and his name is Clifford. He guards the house from his bed here, right next to the window, right next to the door. If he doesn't hear you pulling into the drive, he'll at least see you walking up to the door. If he doesn't hear the door open, he'll at least hear the chimes on the door. If he doesn't hear the chimes, he'll at least hear the alarm beeping. What happens if he's not in his bed? What if he's pushed the door open to my son's bedroom, a place that he's not supposed to be? What are you doing? Clifford? What are you doing? Clifford, wake up. There's a fire. Burglar. Oh. You are the worst guard dog ever. Burglar.